welcome to Taste the Town. I'm Carissa Clark. I'm here at Mia's Italian Kitchen on International Drive. The establishment is beautiful and the menu is fabulous. I am so excited to introduce you to my friend here, Miss Suzanne Clares.
Hi.
Hi. Thank you so much for your time.
Absolutely. Thanks for having us.
Oh my, absolutely. I think that you might know by now, I absolutely love everything about Mia's Kitchen. I love Mia's Italian Kitchen. One of the reasons that I love it is because it's a kitchen that is scratch. Everything here is fresh. Tell everyone a little bit about it, please.
Yeah, so we make everything fresh daily. Everything is made to order. We have a team that comes in the morning and preps everything ahead of time. So you know when you sit down to dine with us that you're getting something that's really incredible. Something that has a little bit of love and some really fantastic ingredients.
The labor of love and a whole lot of effort. It is completely worth your time. So this dish that you have today is a big deal.
Yes.
It's a big deal. So I know that you're very excited to share with everyone. Please tell me about it.
Yeah, so this is what we have is Nona's Sunday gravy. This is our showstopper. So this is a dish, if you know, everyone's Nona, everyone's mother has their own Sunday gravy. This we cook for 24 hours. So it is truly a labor of love.
Right.
You know, we have several different meats in it. It's, you know, you start with our Sunday gravy, and then we add our Italian sausage. We have our mini versions of our meatballs that are a little spicy.
Okay.
And then we have braciole.
Wow.
Which if you've never had braciole, it's outstanding. It is a staple. It's flank steak, and we pound it out, trim it, and we roll it with breadcrumbs, mozzarella. We've got some of our special gravy that we make that we also top on top of it. It is outstanding. So they truss it and bake it, and we slice it to order.
Wow.
So that is one of our specialty items as well.
Wow.
And then we also have chicken thighs in there, which you wouldn't think.
No.
Chicken thighs.
But they have a lot of flavor, right? So we have a lot of flavor that's going to be simmering for 24 hours.
Absolutely.
That is really, really beautiful.
And we do have pepperoni in there too. So it gives a little mild kick. It's a very, very zesty, it's a unique flavor. Has a little bit of zest, and it's just very savory and very delicious.
Okay, that is so beautiful.
Absolutely.
Oh, I love that. So, and also tell everyone a little bit about the name of your restaurant here, because we have Nona. So this is Nona's. And then who is Mia?
So Mia is our owner's wife. So he actually named this labor of love after his wife.
I love
Her
that.
portrait is hanging by the front door. So if you come in, you can see a portrait of Mia, and that's who she is.
Oh, isn't that beautiful?
You know, this whole establishment is really rooted in family. And that starts from these recipes. These recipes were handed down from our owner's family, generation to generation.
Generation to
His
generation.
Nona spoke only Italian, and he speaks English.
So they spoke food.
They communicated through food. So every recipe that we have in our restaurant has been passed down through their family for generations. So it is a time-tried recipe of a Nona's Sunday gravy.
Something to be said that, you know, a smile in food surpasses all actual language. It is its own language in that regard. So your establishment is famous for this. So it seems like it's packed full of flavor, and everyone comes here for this. So I'm
it's
very
very
excited.
savory. Yeah, it packs a great punch, and you're gonna see, you know, when you put it in this bowl, it's a behemoth. It's these chunks. We don't break these up. This is
how it is
on
served.
top. Yeah. So we're gonna take it, and I'm gonna try and do this with one hand.
Okay.
You just
good
right on top. Look at that.
Wow. And so this is great as well. You have family style options, and that's what this makes me think of too.
Absolutely.
They do welcome families to come here to dine together, to enjoy.
And this is an option. Absolutely.
Yes.
You know, obviously, as you can see, I am very impressed whenever one person finishes this dish.
Oh, yes, of course.
I'm going to go ahead and finish it off. So we have, again, we garnish it with Parmesan cheese right on top.
Never enough cheese.
And then our parsley, oregano, thyme blend.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
How beautiful is that?
So beautiful.
You know, and it's hefty. You know, it is a full meal. So it is perfect for our family style.
Okay.
It's perfect to share. It's a great hearty option, and you get to really experience what Mia's Italian Kitchen's all about. It's about family. It's about gathering together. And we love sharing it with you and our guests.
Oh, and I love this idea for you to share with those at home. We want you to be inspired that you can do this too. When you're at home and you have family and friends, the holidays coming up, whatever it is, birthday celebrations, to do something that's so like comforting and to be able to make memories and to invite family into the kitchen, just like his grandmother invited him into the kitchen.
Absolutely.
And they shared the love of food, and that's how they communicated. So I think that is completely beautiful.
It's very special, and it's something that we are so proud of every day, you know, to put this food in front of our guests that is outstanding and just delicious.
Okay. And I know that you had mentioned al dente pasta. I love al dente pasta, and to not overcook the pasta, right? To have it be al dente. So it's a relationship with the sauce to the pasta. So a lot of intention, which I like. And I'm also intending to take a bite of this because I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. This is gonna be so good. Get a little bit. Oh, that's so good. That is so good. It has so much depth. It's so interesting. I absolutely love it. I love it. I love it. Wonderful. So I do invite you to go to our website to get more information. Please do come into Mia's Italian Kitchen with the ones that you love for your taste of the town. Until then, I'll see you around town.